We're back, guys, making some saffron water to go with your Persian rice or any marinade and Persian dish in between that. We call this AKA liquid gold because, hey, as you know, Persian saffron is worth more than gold. Why is that? Because it's Persian. That's why. Anyways, get to business. We're going to need some Persian saffron. You can use the Afghani stuff. Most likely it was smuggled in from Iran anyways. And a little bit of sugar. I'm going to tell you about why we use that, and a more pesto. And I know I mispronounced that, but who cares? To start off, we're going to take some saffron, add it to our pesto. There we go. Look at that gold. It's about $20 worth. Gonna go to town, grind it up. Not trying to get a fine powder quite yet. Just gonna get it broken up in there, and just kind of broken in the pieces. That looks good. Get a few seconds here. Don't need to work too hard. Now we're gonna let a little bit of sugar. The sugar is just there basically to use it as an agent to get it ground down a little bit finer. The texture is a little bit tougher than the saffron itself. Well, a whole lot tougher. And it's going to aid us in getting that to a nicer powder once we go to dissolve. Now, once you're done doing that, you want to take your powder and put it in something that can take some heat. Most likely a Pyrex, or in this case, I'm going to be using a mini baby kind of mason jar, a jam jar, actually. Here we go. Here's what I'm using. And usually I can keep this for about 4 or 5 days. You don't want to keep it any longer. It starts losing flavor at that point. Saffron water is definitely best used within a few days of making it. So I tend to make it, let it sit in the fridge for no more than 2 to 3 days. Here we go on the side. I'm adding some water to my vessel, pestle. Ha! That rhymes. Add the water to that jar. Now this is boiling hot water I boiled. You really want to, kind of like making tea at this point. You're pulling hot water inside, and then you're going to close the lid to let it steep. I usually let it steep for 4 or 5 minutes until I throw it in the fridge or end up using it. Now in the pestle itself, I have a little saffron left over with that hot water because I want to utilize all that gold. There you go, guys. Beautiful golden saffron water. Don't forget, click down below, subscribe so I can get some more videos. Shout out to you guys. Take care. Bye.